Hey, thanks for checking my video. In this video, we're going to look at how to create online course for beginners. How to create online course for beginners. Introduction. More people are looking for new, high-quality online resources to master new skills. Online courses can meet this demand and generate cash. Online courses may establish you as an expert, build a community of like-minded people around your business, and broaden your reach from home. So this guide explains how to build an online course. So content index. Select the right subject. Examine your ideas. Do in-depth research. Develop a course outline. Generate the course content. Put your course online. Sell your course online. Then promote your content. Collect feedback. Then build a learning network. So these are the topics or subtopic we are going to look at in this video. 1. Select the right subject. Your choice of subject is completely up to you. It might be anything from website design to baking ideas. An online course success depends on its topic matter, which is almost limitless. The major criteria for choosing an online course topic are whether it is appeal to you and your audience. So choose something that teach your online course topic should be something you know or willing to study. Choose something others want to learn. First, determine your target and topic demand. Ask friends and your audience about your topic before you get started. 2. Examine your ideas. What are your ideas? What topic you want to cover? What subtopic you want to cover in your online course? Before starting an online course, do a test to be sure it will be profitable. Create an online course landing page with a landing page builder to test your idea. You know the course topic even though you haven't designed it. Include a brief course description and ask question imaginary to convey the idea. Use call to action button that entice visitors to sign up for your online course for free or pre-purchase it to reserve a space. After promoting your website on social media networks and more, you may review the statistics to see if you have enough attendees and positive feedback. Choose metric ahead of time to know what to look for after the trial. So it shows that you can pre-sell your online course before you even create it. So you can tell more people about your online course, your training, your ebook, and so on before you even create it. So it depends on your topic you see. If your topic has a larger audience and has a high demand, then it will be a great benefit for you. So after finding your idea, then do in-depth research. Deep dive until you know everything about your subject, whether you are an expert or just starting out. Go beyond course attendees. Search results to learn thoroughly. Find literature, completer classes, and webinar about the subject. Keyword research will reveal what people are searching for. This gives you a better idea of your audience question. You can find more questions on your related niche or topic. Find niche subcategories. After you find your niche, you can break it down into subcategories. So if you are teaching indoor plant care, you want to cover water and light. To add value, find distinct aspects like air purifying plant types to expand your course. 4. Develop a course outline. After getting your ideas, you find the topic, then you break down to subtopic. Then the next step is to develop your course outline. Create a curriculum for your online course right away. Make a list of the many lessons you intend to teach on a piece of paper. Or you can also use online written to put down the course outline. Distinguish the primary points you wish to discuss in each lesson. To promote a simple and fluid learning experience, proceed logically and attempt to let your ideas flow effortlessly from one to the next. Make sure you cover the topic accordingly. So you don't just jump to a subtopic. No, you start from the introduction to the topic, then from topic to the topic. So this will help you to make your audience understand what you are teaching, the content of your online course. So never forget that teaching is the process of systematically guiding a group of people through an idea. So set goals for each lesson to make this evident in your online course or your course outline. So after that, then generate the course content. So generate the course content or create the course content. You may have written about your course topic before if you have professional experience. So do you write or host webinars on the topic? Do you tackle comparable topic on your business, podcast or YouTube channel? Return to those materials. Starting your online course by researching content will save a lot of time. Maybe you have written articles on your course or online course before, or you have done a YouTube video on your online course. So you can use all this material to start your online course. Create your online course content using your collected materials, outlines, and research from the previous step. You can also utilize written content, audio slides, or a mix of media. Now, after creating your content, your online course, then put them together to make it flow when your audience or your customer are ready or watching your training. When you are finished preparing the content of your course, the next step is to design the platform in which it will be delivered. If you are currently operating a business website, you may choose to incorporate a part of your online class within that site. If not, you should develop a brand new website dedicated solely to serve this function. So you can design another website, purposely to send your online course. There are also online courses platform that you can use to sell your online training. You can use ThinkFic to sell your content. You can use other platform like JVZoo to sell your online content. Then 7, selling your online course. After you have created your course, you design the sales page and website for it. Then next step is to start selling your online course. Depending on your need and business plan, there are 4 ways to sell your online course. 1, channel subscriptions. Users can access all paid video in a channel by paying a monthly charge. Channel subscription build a pathway between public and premium content on your website. Then individual lesson for rent or purchase. Let people rent or buy your online course video by video. Users can watch and visit their purchase video anytime with limited streaming. Allow people to download or watch the video on your site. One-on-one live lesson. In addition to the course, you can teach students live. This method allows learners to ask questions and learn at their level. Then paid plans. Offer students one-time or regular payment alternative. You can choose to the plans, its content, duration, and more. Clients can buy plan on your site. Paid plan restricts content access until customer pay and log into your site membership area. So 8, promote your content. So an online course you created took a lot of your creative energy and valuable time. Now it is time to market it and attract more customers. You can use both free promotion and paid kind of marketing to promote your online course. You may also even design a logo to make your course stand out and appear more professional. You can promote your course through email marketing, paid advertisement, social media, blog posts, podcasts, webinars, team up with other instructors, YouTube, and promotional videos. These are the various ways you can promote your online course. Then collect feedback to improve your online course. When it comes to online course, you should make the most of your digital opportunity to enhance your curriculum by getting feedback back. For instance, during and after course, students will have a better experience, recommend you your course, and enroll in future workshop and learning opportunity if your course is streamlined and improved. So use a form builder to generate survey and ask students about their experience, course improvement, course goals. After measuring and analyzing results, you can improve your online courses. 10. Build a learning network. Online learning is a primary solidarity Thus, building a community of learners around your course will improve their experience and boost course success. An active online community can help people learn together. They can celebrate and ask questions together. Students can also exchange ideas, sparking live discussion and boosting class attention. So your online community is a wonderful way to promote forthcoming courses or other possibility to disengage audience. So conclusion, you now have a bird's eye view of the significant turning point in the development of online courses. The mentioned phase should help you and have a solid picture of what to anticipate from the process of developing and promoting your online course.